Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up GitHub on Windows. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to have GitHub on Windows or that will be functioning in Windows, you will need first to have Git. So Git is what will allow Windows to start using the Git uh, terminal or the Git command. And basically, you can simply go to the Git in searches for in your web engine or search engine, go to downloads, and you download for the Windows, and you just follow up the steps. After that, you will be needing just to go either to or VS Code or whatever. And I prefer to use VS Code as IDE, and this is just a personal choice. And from there, you will have already uh, GitHub that will be added. And the IDEs will have some integrations of GitHub or for some remote source control such as GitLab, GitHub, etc. And now all we need to do is to simply start using GitHub on our IDE. So let's just close, for example, this folder. And if I go to the source control, you can see that already we can click on clone repository and you will have that clone from GitHub. That means that in VS Code, you have already GitHub that is added. You click on it and basically it's in your case, it will require you to sign in or to authenticate your account and authorize VS Code to use your account, etc. And then you can start accessing your repositories you clone from them. For example, I'm just going to use this one and I will just choose here. And basically now I can start seeing my projects and basically you can start using GitHub. And of course, you can also have your source control and you can start um, cloning, pushing, adding commits, etc. from here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.